Hello everyone, so in this video is how to fix the Beetel M64. The problem is not ringing and there is no sound. So as you can see, the ringing indicator is flashing and then there's no sounds or not ringing at all. And then let's try the hands-free, the loudspeaker, the orange button, let's press. Then there's no sounds. As I press the loudspeaker hands-free, it speaks. Let's open the telephone, and then the speaker is 8 ohms, 0.5 watts. And then let's test the impedance using the digital multimeter. There is a reading in between 7.5 to 7.7 ohms, as you can see. So the voice coil is good. So the voice coil is good. Let's check the physical, the cone, the whopper. So as I check the cone is soft, so there is problem with this speaker. It might be touching in the coil, the magnet rather. So baka po nagdikit na yung magnet tsaka yung voice coil, kasi yung cone ay malambot na. So kuha po tayo ng replacement. So I got the replacement, the same impedance, the same wattage. And then let's test the impedance reading. There is 7.3 ohms, almost accurate impedance. Then let's fix. And now, so as you can see, the telephone is ringing now. The ringing indicator is flashing and then there is a sound when it's ringing. And let's try the hands-free, the loudspeaker. Let's press the orange button. There's a sounds. There's an audio now. Okay guys, thank you for watching.